If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Chime, follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure while you regain access. Step 1. Access the Chime app. Open the Chime app on your mobile device and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings or Security Settings section. This is usually found in the menu or Profile options. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Look for the option related to two-factor authentication. Here, you should find options to manage or reset your current two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Follow the reset process. Follow the prompts to reset your two-factor authentication. This may involve verifying your identity through email or SMS depending on your current settings. Step 5. Set up new two-factor authentication. After successfully resetting, you will be prompted to set up a new two-factor authentication method. Choose your preferred method like SMS or an authentication app and follow the instructions to complete the setup. Make sure to keep your new two-factor authentication method secure to protect your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chime customer support for assistance.